Okay, today we're gonna put on a catback exhaust system in MBRP stainless steel catback 3-inch exhaust system on Chevy Tahoe. This exhaust system fits like 08 to 2014 or something like that, and I'm sure it will work on Chevy trucks also. But a couple things before you get started when you get your kit. It comes with really everything that you need. The one thing that I get is they give you these exhaust clamps, these band clamps, which are pretty nice. Stainless steel, they're good. This is a good clamp. But I like these band clamps. They're stainless steel. They just seal better. I like them. So I get yourself 3 of those. To replace these clamps and hang on to these, or you can use these, it's fine. And it comes with everything you need. You got to reuse a couple things on the car, we'll show you. But if you don't want to use these band clamps, you really don't have to buy anything extra. Just get the kit and start taking out the old one. Okay, so we're going to be taking everything out from the catback, so from right here all the way back to coming out. You're gonna have to either reuse this clamp here, this band clamp, V clamp thing, or get another one if it's all rusted up and whatnot. If you can't get it off, you know, like mine's all rusted up, you'll have to cut it off and get a new one. And then you'll reuse these rubber hangers. Your new pipe comes with hangers all the way down. You are going to have to cut this exhaust pipe somewhere over the axle here to get it out, because there's nowhere. This is all welded one piece, so you're going to have to sawzall it or die grind something. Cut the pipe off somewhere up in here so you can take this out two pieces. And once we get all that out, then we'll start to install the new exhaust. Okay, so this is where I cut the exhaust. Use a sawzall, cut that off right there. Okay, so we can get that out of there. And then here's the clamp. I cut that with a die grinder, cutoff wheel. There's probably a gasket in there that we're gonna have to reuse. So I was just really careful on cutting that. So probably gonna have to reuse that. So but the clamp is loose. So then we're going to spray some penetrating oil, WD-40 or something on these rubber hangers, so we can get those off of there. We're gonna be reusing those, and then we'll have all this out. So we got the big, old, heavy stock exhaust out of here. Okay. You see, we still got our hangers up here. Okay. We're gonna be reusing those. Those two. There's one back here and up here. Okay. And then all nice and opened up here. And there wasn't a gasket under that V clamp like I thought there would be. So it's just the pipe, got a beveled edge to it, and your new pipe's gonna slip right onto that thing. And the new clamp, I got a new clamp, you know, because we cut that one off. So we'll clean that up. We'll get the whole thing installed in here and see what it looks like. It's all installed. Nothing is tightened up yet. It's just clamps are just sitting there and getting everything positioned up. I started from the back when we're installing it. Start from the back, that was the easiest. Hook the pipes on the hanger and then work your way forward. Got my new clamp in here. When we tighten up, we're going to start at the front here, because this is a stationary pipe right here. So we'll tighten that one up. That'll give us, that'll stiffen up this first pipe, and then we'll work our way back. Go to this next clamp off the muffler, the back one, until you come out to the tailpipe. out this clamp here will tighten up, and then you'll put your chrome tip on at the very end when you can position how you want all that. And this was super easy to put in. I probably put this in literally about 5 minutes. So once you get everything out, everything slides right in. Super nice fit. Okay, we got all the clamps tightened up. Exhaust is all tight. Got started out with our first clamp there, and that one had to get really tight. Like almost thought that it was too big. So you really cinch that one down, and once you get that one tight, it really stiffens up the rest of this pipe, and then you can go from there. You take that inlet one from the muffler, tighten that one up first, come over here to your outlet, tighten that one up over the axle. You're gonna get that guy, and when you're doing it, to give you an idea of where the pipe needs to be, look at your hangers. You want your hangers to be, you know, straight up and down, not off to the side. That way you can tell that you don't have any weird angles, you know. See, that one's nice and straight. So that gave me kind of an idea on this tailpipe when I was cinching it down where it needed to be. Same thing with up here at these hanger here. See, it's not off to any crazy angles or anything, so there's not a lot of stress on it, you know. So you know that you got the pipe in somewhat the right area. Okay, so the pipe's all installed. Now we're just gonna tighten up the chrome tip and fire it up and see how it sounds. Best part.